Sometimes I make this life thing harder than it needs to be. Not dead yet, true shit. So why do I worry about what I can't see? I've been stressing about money for my rent, but the money that I spent last night with my friends was worth it. Sometimes I make this life thing harder than it needs to be. So many lights, lights, lights with us tonight, night, night. Don't let them go to waste. Look into my eyes, eyes, eyes. It's gonna be alright, right, right. Tomorrow's gonna be okay. One moment, one shot. That's all we got. One moment, one shot. I don't belong.
Good morning, travel buddies. It's about 6:50 in the morning and I get a shot of this right there. The sunrise hitting the beautiful rock cliffs, and hear how quiet it is. That's amazing. Just one of the many rewarding things about traveling so early in the morning is you are able to experience the scenery. Come on, right? It's amazing. Good morning, fellow travelers. Just kind of on a road trip right now, and I'm getting a time lapse right there, and I was looking out, and I really wanted to go over the beauty of road trips. Moments like this, when it's 3 in the morning and absolutely quiet, you're the only one out, it's when you could really appreciate your surroundings, and it's just something you don't really take the time to appreciate as much as we really should. And I could just look up and see so many stars, and it's just a beautiful sight to see. Yeah, so just wanted to say, road tripping, get some friends or by yourself, it's definitely worth it, because moments like this when I can't really show you on camera, it just makes it worth it to get out and see something new for once. Instead of all the light pollution that we see, you just get to see stars and the finer things in life. So thanks.